There's a frequency running inside of my skull, a constant vibration, a headache so dull. It's the voice of the past, it's the things that he said, echoing endlessly inside of my head. You're worthless, you're ugly, you're lucky I stayed. The tracks are all looped, the recording is played. I'm trying to tune it out, trying to switch, but the dial is broken, a technical glitch. I look at you talking, I see your lips move. I'm trying to find the rhythm, trying to groove, but the static is louder, it's drowning you out, blocking the whisper, blocking the shout. I smile and I nod, but I don't hear a word. Everything's garbled, everything's blurred. I need to reset, I need to reboot, to silence the signal and finding a mute. Can you hear it? Static. Can you hear it? The noise. Turn it down. I'm replacing the white noise with the sound of your voice. I'm making a conscious, deliberate choice to listen to kindness, to listen to truth, to wasted years and recovered youth. Filter the signal, clear up the line, leave the interference far behind. I'm tuning you in, I'm tuning him out, erasing the fear and erasing the doubt. It takes concentration to focus the ear, to separate danger from what is just fear. He planted the bugs in the walls of my mind, listening for secrets he wanted to find. But I'm sweeping the room, I'm debecking the code, I'm lightening the heavy and burdensome load. You say I love you, and it finally comes through, clear as a bell and ringing so true. The static is fading to a hum in the back. I'm getting my mental capacity back. I can hear the birds, I can hear the rain, I can hear the joy and not just the pain. Your laugh is a melody, sharp and defined, cutting through the chaos he left behind. I'm turning the volume up on the today and letting the yesterday away. Can you hear it? It's gone. Can you hear it? It's gone. Turn it up. I'm replacing the white